Hi everyone, so what I want to show you in this screencast is how to find your USB to RS-232 converter and actually how to define your COM port for the seabird software. So I go to the Windows Explorer and I find this computer. I'm sorry I'm using Hebrew, but that's what I have, and I go to Properties. On the computer properties, the top entry here is the device manager. I run the device manager, and one of the lines here will be COM and LPT ports. I expand this one. I only have one entry. You might have more than one entry, but I don't think you will have more than one USB to serial bridge or converter, and this thing has a number. I'm currently using COM5. Now I can go to the sampling software from the SeaSoft, which is called SeaSave, and I run it. It's gonna take a few seconds, but we'll wait. Okay, and I go to real-time data, start, and what I do here, I can begin defining things for the sampling, such as I always use this option, but the most important thing is to configure the inputs and serial port, and you can see this is the CTD serial port, and this is the one that is connected via the RS-232 to USB converter, and indeed it's on COM5, and I'm using 9600 bauds, which is the same as the CTD. If you have communication problems, you'll have to go to CTD to sort them out, but that's the simplest way. And now I push OK, start, and I switch on the device. This is a test file, so I have no problem to just running over it. Yes. And it's waiting for communication, and the communication is formed, so the communication definitions are okay, and we're done here.